Last week, lawyers for James Dunmore filed a motion for his release after Watts' autopsy couldn't determine an exact cause of death. Sean Coffey inside that courtroom for us today. He's live in Montgomery County with the latest on where things stand tonight. Hi, Sean.
Yeah, hi, Lauren. Despite efforts by the defense to get James Dunmore out today, Judge Taylor Brown kept him behind bars. Dunmore will remain locked up on $1 million secured bond pending the county's investigation, as this legal process plays out. And that's a decision that friends and family of Allisha Watts celebrated after his hearing today.
We still got a long road ahead, but today was a victory day.
Loved ones of Allisha Watts reacting Monday to a Montgomery County judge's decision to keep James Dunmore locked up on bond.
We are going to continue. This is not the final step for us, by no means.
Dozens of Watts' friends and family traveling to Troy for Dunmore's hearing, many of them holding signs in court that read, "I am Allisha Watts," and standing and applauding when Judge Taylor Brown ruled against Dunmore. Dunmore's attorneys arguing Watts' inconclusive autopsy and the state's inability to prove a homicide were grounds for his release. Judge Brown rejecting that motion.
I'm very proud of our assistant district attorney and his presentation today. We had no doubt that he would do a great job. We are very pleased with the outpouring of support.
ADA Arthur Donadio arguing his office hasn't had time to interview those who conducted the autopsy and pointed to a, quote, recent history of violence from Dunmore. The state also cited circumstantial evidence such as cell tower pinging from Dunmore and Watts' phones on the night she went missing and Watts' car GPS near the location where her body was found. So far, no witnesses or murder weapon have been presented. Watts' supporters vowing to keep showing up in force.
I'll tell you right now, if it was one of us, she would be the one standing right here. So when you take somebody out of the community, such as we have, it's you daggone right, we'll stand up for all the way to the end.
Today, the state shared other aspects of this case likely to prove important at a potential future trial, including Dunmore's marriage to another woman who claimed that he assaulted her when they were together, and also his previous convictions for assault and kidnapping. Now, ADA Donadio did express a frustration at the lack of physical evidence in this case so far. He did say his investigators are hard at work. He remains in contact with them every week, so he hasn't given up hope yet. Dunmore, meantime, set to appear again here at the Montgomery County Courthouse on April 15th. We're live in Troy. Sean Coffey, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.